What it do, what it does, where you been, where you was, but it ain't what it is. Face in the mud, I really be hating in the mud. Said I can't pick it up, but I did. Y'all know Goon put too much bass in the sub. Cup full of blood and I gave it a chug. Wait till your neighbors get all snug, then play this real loud where you live.
All right, what up, fellas? Trying to get out of the light here. We are actually located in an undisclosed location in the city, and we are going to grab a cool barn find. I guess you're not going to call it a barn find because, like I said, we're in a building. So, I guess you call it a building find. But either way, it's in the door behind me right here. And we're going to grab it. Probably going to clean it up, get it running, and throw it on YouTube and throw it on eBay. So it's cool for me, but it's not cool for me to ride because, like I said, I'm 6'5", so I'm like an ogre on all these stock bikes. Hence why I originally got into the big wheel scene. So stay tuned. Gonna walk inside here right now and go check it out. All right, we got a barn find over here. We're gonna go in right now, check it out, and probably take it with and throw it up for you guys to grab. But hold on, let me switch this guy over. I don't want to use my other camera because it's not going to be good at low light.
Door shut in case we get some.
Yeah.
So yeah, I guess the bike's been sitting about 5 or 6 years. People kept it in the family for quite a while. It was the original owner, and he told us to come over here and take a look at it. Holy shit!
Yeah.
Nice.
Ultra classic. 30th anniversary.
Oh, what have we here? Supercharged.
Old school. Supercharged. What was that called again?
Aerotech.
Aerotech. I think they might still be in business. I don't know. Might be a little noisy because of the heater now, but. Is that considered a supercharger or that's a turbocharger? Yeah, that's turbo, not super. Yeah. So yeah, I think that is. I think they're still in business. That's vintage right there. I just got poked in the face by the antenna. So yeah, you got the 95 electric ultra classic. Yeah, 10,000 racks, original miles. Got your boost gauge. Paint looks pretty killer. Yeah. Nice little clean detail. I think she'll come out good. Wet sand and buff. So, well, let's do it. We're gonna grab it and gonna get it cleaned up, go through all the fluids and stuff, and this will be a cool little video, cool little bike to do, a little somewhat old school. So yeah, we're in a warehouse right here. Got it. Looks like you got two other bikes over there.
Oh, you see my trucks? You see the trucks up front? Yeah, that's me and my guys here. We're gonna go around the back side, so give me 1 second, I'll drive around the back with you, okay? Right, 1 second. Doc, I had chrome. I was nuts. That was cool. This is all 70s metal flake, in the 70s. This one ain't got a scratch on it. I put on the other side on the cam cover, you know how it spins? The cam cover, this has jewels in it from the jeweler.
Yeah, no shit.
These are fucking, these are real jewels in there. This spins, the dice. It's just cool shit I did. I just did old school.
Got a chrome rear fender?
Yeah, chrome rear fender, everything. It's on Milwaukee iron, I believe. And we chopped down some other custom parts and made it. And they're heavy as fuck, but it'll shake you loose, man. It's fucking, it's a harder ride.
So,
Carly, torque arms, all that shit.
because you're gonna want to sell that one too.
I'm thinking about banging them all out,
Yeah.
dude. I mean,
All right. Well, here.
my whole thing is this. This is my whole thing. This one, it's mine.
Okay.
This one, I have the title for it right now. This one.
So this is. Do you know what year this one is? Technically.
It's probably in here. Here's the thing. I got 4 big deals going on right now, and I can always get more shit. I lost my love on this when it got flipped over. This one is 01.
Okay, so 01.
01 Craft Tech. Yeah.
Okay, so it's an. Okay, yeah. So this one.
Did you know how they come out and do these back in the day?
Oh yeah. Ultimate barn find. 95. 30th anniversary Electra Glide. turbocharged, baby. Old Vortec, or yeah, Vortec, I think regulator, fuel regulator right there. The Intimidator, I don't know what the hell that is. It's a funky design right there. Yeah, Vortec. Gonna do a random video here of this barn find that you can obviously see from the heading. It's a 95 30th anniversary Electra Glide, serial number 1532 of 2000. See it right there. This one's a little different because, like you see, it's got the turbo on it. The turbo is, I keep forgetting, Aero Tech or Aero something turbo. This must be one of their first ones. But this guy is OG. 10,000 miles original. Got the tape deck. Got the old school boost gauge. Got your old PC or your CB controls right there. And then you got this big boy right here. So this is an oilless, a self-contained, they technically say oilless turbo because you don't have to have a line running from your oil system to feed it like you do on the ones you see that we usually have with Trask. This is technically it's built inside, so I know this company still makes their kits. To me they're kind of because they're like placed back here towards the passenger foot peg, which is kind of goofy looking. So I kind of like where Trask has this setup going. But they got your Vortec fuel pressure regulator right here. The only issue that this bike has right now is this fuel line, I guess. I don't know where it's going to go or where it's supposed to go, so we're going to dig into it and see. But I know that was rotted off because it shoots out fuel, he said. So, but we're going to get it detailed right now and get it all cleaned up and then start from there and see what she looks like when she's all done. Get it so you can get in the sun.
Almost look good as new.
Next couple days I'm gonna throw it on the trickle charger and see if the battery is good. Paint for the most part came out good. Definitely cleaned up. No crazy cracks in the seat or anything. Turbo's all, bonnet side all shined up. Got a torque arm on it. I don't know who makes that, but that's for the old school bikes. They had the frame issues with the wobbling and everything because of the motor mounts. That's hence why Harley did the redesign. Alright, we're let him speak now.
What? What do you want to say?
Well, come on, Mr. YouTube. What are we doing here? We're polishing. What are you going in the sun for, bro? Go over there. What do you mean, what you want to say? What's your business name? Stand by your truck. Look at this kid get all nervous in front of a camera.
I don't like cameras. Terry's detailing.
Stand by your truck so we're not looking in the sun.
We do that video again. Cut.
There ain't no cuts here. This is YouTube. It's raw. Point. Who are we?
Terry's detailing.
What do we do?
Pretty much, I go to your home, detail your car, your bike, whatever you have.
Anywhere in?
In Chicago, Illinois, no more than 60 miles. Paint correction, wax buff, interior detailing, ceramic coating, pretty much everything possible you can do with a vehicle and a bike.
And you would gotten anywhere where you're at today
if it
without
wasn't
being
for-
from F-bomb baggers?
Yeah, I gotta give it to F-bomb baggers for
Kid
giving me a chance to
Kid
do.
couldn't even wipe his ass straight before he started working over here, and
Yeah,
I
right.
can actually detail a bike. So I hit him up. He got all the stuff in the back of his van.
Yeah, so pretty much on site. You got a generator, water tank.
10 pounds of shit in a 5-pound bag.
Yeah, you got that right.
Yeah. Alright, until the next video, we're gonna throw it out. Probably throw another battery in it, but I'm gonna let it sit on the trickle just for shits and gigs, and see if she turns over and fires up, and see if there is a fuel leak or what. So stay tuned. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think of it. Is it a cool bike? Would you rock it? What would you do with it? Let me know. Alright, peace.